Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create a butterfly chart in Excel. If you see in this chart, we have a section in between which denotes the departments, and on the opposite sides we have data for joinee and resignee. These opposite sides data represents the wings of a butterfly, and that's the reason this chart is also called as a butterfly chart. For example, in supply chain, we have 5 joiners and 3 resigners. Let's update it. So I'm going to supply chain and I am putting 15 joiners and 25 resigners. You see this data automatically updates. So this is how a butterfly chart looks in Excel. Let's go ahead and create it. This is our data set. So the first step is create a column, name it as gap. Create another column and name it as joinee gap, and the last resignee gap. The gap is a random number. For example, I am putting 30 for the time being. The joinee gap is the joinee minus the gap. So I take the difference of the gap and the resignee and I put it here. The resignee gap is again gap and resignee, and I select it here. Select your data, go to Insert and insert a stacked bar chart. Next, select your axis, do Format Axis and do Categories in reverse order. Then select any one of your axes and reduce the gap width so that the bars are a little bit thicker. Select your axis, select your horizontal grid lines and delete them. Next, if you see this is our gap, go to Fill and say No Fill. Add data label. So you see our gap data labels are added. Then go to the data labels, do Format Data Labels, do Value from Cells and select Department. Uncheck Values over here. Just adjust the size of your chart. You see your department names are here. Now you can go ahead and delete the axis. The blue over here at the edges are the gaps, the resignee gap and the joinee gap. So make it as no fill. I have done no fill for both. Now you have your joinee and you have your resignee data. Just change the fill of both of these. So this I am putting as green and this as a brown, light brown color. Then go here and add data labels. Here also go and add data labels. Format the data labels. I put it as inside base, and for this I put it as inside end. So you see your data labels has come at the starting of the bars over here and starting of the bars over here. Just delete your axis, delete your chart title and delete this. The next step is you insert a shape, and for example this is a rectangle shape, and here I go ahead and I fill it as green color. I edit the text and I do joinee. I select this, just let me change the font color, bold and adjust it. I'll do the same for resignee as well quickly. If you see, I have added joinee and resignee over here. Just bold this, put it in a black color, and we have a butterfly chart which is ready. It's a completely dynamic chart. For example, finance and accounts, if I put it as 12 joiners, you see the bar automatically updates. And let's also do the same for resigners. I do 22 resigners and the bar automatically changes. So this is how you create a butterfly chart in Excel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.